Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the white noise machine. Wow, what is white noise? It is a signal processing. White noise is a random signal having equal intensity at different frequencies. Is it giving it a constant power spectral density? The term is used with this or similar meanings in many scientific and technical disciplines, including physics, acoustics and engineering, telecommunications, and statistical forecasting. White noise refers to a statistical model for signal and signal source, rather than to any specific signal else, with noise draws its name from the white light. Although light appears, white generally does not have a flat power spectral density over the visible band. But in this term, it is really awesome to bring this in the process of your sleeping. Try to sleeping mode, okay? If you have problems with sleeping, the white noise can change this to a good condition. It's a Roffie Sound Machine with night light for sleeping. Baby and adults, 30 HiFi nature sounds sleep machine. It's portable. It's for sound therapy, for travel office with timer and memory effect. And it's powered by USB. The Roffie Sound Machine offers 30 soothing sounds to improve the sleep quality of babies and adults, such as a fan, a lullaby, a rain, crickets, and birds, etc. The sound therapy provides a natural and comfortable environment for stress relief. A function perfect for new mothers. This sound machine features an optional night light which emits just enough lights for night nurseries or for use when charging diapers without being too bright, causing disturbance. The sounds into ears and starts a nightly ritual by creating an optimal sleeping atmosphere. It can also be used as a low-cost way of blocking out environmental noises. The sound machine lets the magic happen for office privacy with 3.5mm headphones, a respite from noisy snore and hotels. We can choose the sound of the machine at 30 or 60 and non-looping without or off timer settings. We are in control of our sleeping environment. Our white noise machine remembers the last sound and volume when restarted. That means there's no worry about resetting. The noise machine is small enough to pack into our bag or suitcase, making it a great companion as a travel sound machine. This model does not support batteries and should be plugged in during using it. Of course, we will need an AC adapter for it, for example, like your smartphone AC adapter. Or we can use a power bank to get the power into it. Or we will need a personal computer or laptop as well. But there's no problem, because around us there is a USB source. Trust me. This is the Roffie Sleep Sound Machine. We can choose fan sound, white noises, forest, ocean waves, raining, and heartbeat. And every time of these setups, we can choose a lot of other fan sounds, high, low, fast, etc. And we have a light adjustment lamp. Touch to control the baby night light. And it's for work, for study and privacy. We can enjoy our private spaces. And our nap time companion, suitable for all kinds of people out there. The dimensions are round about 5.8 to 5.7 to 3.8 inches, and it comes with 1.05 pounds. It's small, it's nice designed, it is easy to use. You have one start button in the center, and then you can use on the left side to choose the right sound and to choose under the right sound another options. And the right and the second right button is for volume up and volume down. Of course, you can use it only as light lamp too. Then you have to push another time on the power button. That's really awesome to bring you in dreamland. Into dreamland, it will take you there with a white noise machine by Roffie Sound Machine, with a nightlight for sleeping and relaxing for babies and adults too, with 30 hi-fi nature sounds. It's a sleep machine which is portable and it's good for sound therapy. And of course, you can take it on your vacation. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon, soon.